race number 4. Pilracom Handicap race number 11. Away they go. Vermont in between runners, running by Doral. She's Gorgeous, Mr. Universe, Be Cool, Hot Gossip, while Ho 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 is running at the tail of the field by about 5 to 6 lengths of the leader. Back to the front runner, Vermont by a neck, followed by Mr. Universe in second. Be Cool running by the alongside She's Gorgeous, and inside the last 900, Vermont by a neck, followed by Mr. Universe in second. Be Cool running in third by about 3 lengths alongside She's Gorgeous, and rounding the far turn, Mr. Universe pokes his nose on the outside. Vermont down on the inside, and Be Cool remains in third by about 4 lengths as they swing for Vermont regains the lead from Mr. Universe. Mr. Universe once again on the outside, Vermont down on the inside. Mr. Universe, Vermont is running by Doral. Mr. Universe, Vermont down on the inside. Mr. Universe, Vermont by Doral. Mr. Universe, Vermont, and finally Mr. Universe outlasting Vermont. Third, Be Cool. She's Gorgeous.